Yo, welcome back. This is Week Check. We're going to be looking at upcoming drops in the next 7 days, starting from the 20th to the 26th of June. Let's go. Yes, welcome back everybody. This is Week Check. This drops every Sunday. I'll let you know what trains are coming up in the next 7 days. This week we're talking from the 20th of June to the 26th of June. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit notification bell because it really does help the channel. But before we get into this, I have to do the housekeeping. These are the drops I know at the time of recording. Please remember, if I mention places or raffles like Footpatrol, End, Size and things like that, they usually drop them the day before the actual official releases from, say, Nike or something like that. Also remember, if you enter raffles such as Size or Footpatrol, they freeze the money in your account, so that money is gone until you win. Or if you lose, then they refund in 5 days or something. So keep an eye on that. If you try and enter all these raffles, you could get a lot of money taken out of your account. That said, let's just get straight into this Week Check. So Monday, the 20th of June, first drop we have is the Yeezy 350 version 2 in 2 colorways. You have Bone and you have Onyx. These are going for £200. You can pick them up on Confirmed, Footpatrol. Well, actually, Footpatrol only seem to have the Bone colorway, and End. Again, End seem to only have the Bone colorway as well. Next up is a Jordan 1 mid called Orange Black. This is going for £115 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have another release of a Dunk High in black and white, or the Pandas. This is going for £100 and again you can pick this up on the Nike website. Yes, Tuesday 21st of June. First drop we have today is a Nike Air Kukini Aviator Grey. This is going for £120. You can pick this up on the sneakers app. Up next is a Dunk Low called Copy and Paste. This is going for £100 and this can also be picked up on the sneakers app. We then have a Reebok Classic, or it's called Reebok Hermes Classic. It's going in 5 different colorways. It's going for £90 and you can pick these up on the Reebok website. We've got quite a few drops today, all with different colorways, but let's get into this. So the first is a New Balance release of 3 different versions of the 990s. So you have version 1, version 2 and version 3. These are going for £180, £190 and £200 respectively. And if you want to cop these, you can go to Size, Footpatrol and End and enter those raffles. Next up is the Footpatrol release or Footpatrol raffle of the Nike Air Force 1 collab with Off-White. This is a Air Force 1 mid. It's going in 2 different colorways, black and white. They're going for £165. And like I said earlier, this is just a Footpatrol raffle today. Next up is a woman's Jordan 1 low called Black Orange. This is going for £115 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have a woman's Air Force 1 low called Lavender. This is going for £115. You can pick this up on Size and on sneakers. We then have another woman's release. It's a Jordan 1 low Elevate called Team Red. It's going for £115 and you can pick this up on the Nike website. Switching from Nike, we have an Adidas release. It's called the Adizero Adios Pro 3. This is releasing for £200 and you can pick this up on the Adidas website. Now we move on to Thursday, the 29th of June. Again, we have quite a few drops this day, so let's just get straight into this. First up is the Jordan 2 collab with Maison Chateau Rouge. This is going for £205 and you can pick this up on the Footpatrol raffle. Next up is another release of the Nike Air Kukini, but this time they call it the Topographic. Earlier in the week, it was called the Elevator Grey. This is going on Footpatrol and End, and again, it's for £120. We then have a New Balance release of their 550 silhouettes called Pink. This is going on End, and it's going for £100. Adidas releasing 2 classics in their Samba silhouettes. This is called the Adidas vs Wells Bono. They're in red and white. They're going for £140. You can pick this up on End and on the Adidas website. Converse have another collab with A Cold Wall. These are called the Sponge CX Crater. These are going for £110 and you can get these on End. Next up, we have a sneakers release of the Air Force 1 mid collab with Off-White, again in black and white. These are still going for £165, but this time on sneakers, which I just said. Next is a woman's Dunk Low called Light Smoke Grey. These are going for £100. You can pick this up on the Nike website. We then have a Converse release of the Aeon Active CX. These are going in 2 different colorways. One is Bone and the other one is called Himalayan Salt. These are going on the Converse website and you can pick these up for £100. Okay, so next up is the Adilet slides. Now these are a bit controversial because I heard that Kanye was upset with Adidas and he's threatening to sue them because he said that they look like his slides, which they don't. They're going in 6 different colorways and they're going for £45. At the moment, you can pick this up on the Adidas website. I'm sure that there's going to be other raffles with all the main dealers soon. But as it stands now, £45, Adidas website, 6 different colorways. I'm definitely going for a pair. Yes, it's Friday, the 24th of June. Let's see what's dropping. First up, we have the Jordan 4 Infrared. This is going for £180 and it's on a Footpatrol raffle. Next, we have the sneakers release of the Jordan 2 Maison Chateau Rouge. It says orange and red. It's going in family sizes. These are going for £203. I don't know why it's £203, but it's £203 on sneakers. And I said in family sizes, and obviously the price will drop in terms of what size you get. We then have another Jordan release with Maison Chateau Rouge, but it's called the Jordan Series. You pick it up in 2 colorways. You've got a brown basalt and cell. These are going for £95. And again, these can be picked up on the sneakers app. We then have another sneakers release, but this time it's the Jordan 9 in particle grey and black. These are going for £200. And like I said, they're on sneakers. Okay, so we have a rumored drop and I'm just putting it in there because I do think it will drop. But we're talking about Yeezy 350 version 2 blue tint. Now these look like the zebras, but I think they've got a blue tint in them. These are going for £200. If they do come out, they'll be on confirmed and probably some more raffles like End and Footpatrol and all those kind of guys. Look out as well, Offspring do drop their little raffles on their Instagram. So if you don't follow Offspring, go and follow Offspring HQ, and obviously you can enter those raffles there and try not to miss out on anything else which you don't see here. Yes, Saturday, 25th of June, happy weekend. First drop we have today is a designer one. This is Comme des Garçons Home Plus. It's their CR90 silhouette in black and white. These are going on End and you can pick them up for £195. We then have another chance for you to get hold of the Jordan 4 Infrareds. These are now being released on sneakers for £180 and in family sizes. If we jump back to confirmed, today we have the Human Race by Pharrell Williams NMD called Animal Print. These are going for £180 and like I said, you can pick these up on confirmed. So that's it. Week check over. I hope there's a kicks there you want to get. There's quite a few drops this week. It's going to be peas if you're going for everything. I know you're probably not going for everything, but even if you're going for 1, 2 or 3, you know, you're going to be £500 out easy, more than £500 out. But that's it. If you enjoyed, like I said, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. I'll be back again next week with the drops from the next 7 days after that. Thanks very much for everyone who's tuned in, and yeah man, I like the way the channel's growing. Thanks for all the new subscribers and I'll see you again. Peace.